welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Alex Ruby and I am a lover of all things home, so thank you so much for spending some of your day with me. Today I'm going to be adding a few little touches in my living room just to give it that summer refresh, and I thought I would bring you guys along with me. I've felt very inspired by green and light blue this season, so I wanted to go ahead and just add a little pop of color to my living room. I think this will be my last space at home that I will refresh for summer before I start transitioning to the fall season, which is my absolute favorite. I am a fall girly. I love all things pumpkin and pumpkin spice, so very much looking forward to the season this year. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So first, I went ahead and removed all of the decor so I could start with a clean slate. Our sofa is actually modular and normally connects together, but if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I love the double sofa look, so that's just how we keep it. To set the mood and get some inspiration flowing, I like to find a pretty TV wallpaper on YouTube and let it play in the background. It's such a simple way to make a space feel a little cozier. I picked up this beautiful handmade side table from Etsy for one of the empty corners in our living room. I'd actually had it sitting in my cart for a while and finally decided to make the investment. It was definitely a splurge, but the quality is absolutely incredible and a reminder that investing in a few well-made pieces from time to time for your home is always worth it. Before I continued decorating, I noticed the sofa cushions were looking a little flat and needed some fluffing. Since the sofa has real down filled cushions, giving them a good fluff every now and then helps keep them looking nice and full. I'm starting with this decorative vase I found at the HomeGoods. It's an exact dupe for a Pottery Barn planter that's way more expensive, so it was a great find. I'm then adding a few coffee table books along with this vintage candle holder from Olive Atelier just to add a little layering to the TV console. Next, I'm adding this lamp I purchased from Cottage & Key. I actually saw this lamp featured on their Instagram and immediately fell in love with how beautiful it is. I believe it's currently sold out and has been selling out pretty frequently since launch, but I'll still link it just in case it comes back in stock. I'm then adding this little wicker storage box to the lower shelf of the table. And on top, I'm adding a few coffee table books along with an aged decorative bowl and some faux greenery. This frame was an Amazon find, and I love how the silver contrasts beautifully with the neutrals in my home. Now for accent pillows, I like to keep things simple and don't really switch them out too often. This striped one is one of my favorite Target finds, and the others are from Hackner Home. For a subtle pop of color, I'm adding this light blue pillow cover I found on Amazon. I wasn't sure whether to layer it with the brown pillow or style it on its own, but I ended up styling it alone since it stood out a bit more. Let me know in the comments below which way you would have gone. I'm styling our coffee table with a seagrass basket and a vase that I tend to move around a lot in my home. I found these gorgeous faux berry stems at the At Home, and I was instantly drawn to them because they remind me of a full summer bloom. And of course, no coffee table is complete without coffee table books, so I layered some in and added this marble stand with a candle on top. I found this little silver tray on Amazon for under $10, and I'm using it to hold my candle lighter and matches. Having too many empty corners was starting to feel like a visual eyesore in our home, so I brought in a faux tree to add a little height to the living room. I found this olive tree on Amazon and even shared it on my Instagram because the quality is really good for under $100. I think I paid like $62 for it. So if you're looking for one, I'll have it linked in the description box for you. To finish setting the tree, I just used some plastic shopping bags as filler and topped it with a bit of moss. As I was finishing up, I felt like something was still missing, so I added one of my favorite artwork pieces from Hobby Lobby in the corner by the side table. I didn't want it to feel too large in the space, so I hung it a little lower to complement the table. To finish everything off, I'm lighting the candle to really bring in that warm, cozy glow into the space. And here's the final look. If you've made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I love each and every one of you, and your support means the absolute world to me. You guys have no idea. If you are a lover of home decor and all things organization and DIY, I would love it if you would hit that like and subscribe button. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, I would love it if you join me. I post weekly on there and make sure to share all of my home decor finds as well as any sales that may be happening so that you don't miss out. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.